going on, guys? Right here at Little St. Simons Island, East Beach, doing a little surf fishing. Gonna see what we can catch today. Got shrimp on the bobby. There's a bird out there. Looks like he's trying to get something. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Got him. I didn't get off. Oh, look, we got a catfish. Hey boys! Got a catfish! Saltwater catfish.
Catfish?
Yeah.
Aww. Aww. Hey. Hey, stand up. Hey. Trying to catch the sand all the way.
Alright. Alright, here. Hold the pole.
Andy, hold the pole.
Hold it still because I don't want to get finned.
Hold it still.
Alright, hold on.
It's colorful.
No, I don't want to eat it.
No, let him go.
You gotta get us.
Why?
I know.
This is wild. This is not wild. Yeah, it's still wild. It's still like wild fish.
Saw that jigger.
Hey, buddy. Good? You're really choking that thing down. Open your mouth.
There we go. Saltwater catfish. Can you pitch it? Hurry up.
Yep. Oh, look.
There he goes.